Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss about what is magnetic contactor and how it works. A contactor is an electrically controlled switch used for switching a power circuit similar to a relay, except high rating as high as 5000 amperes. A contactor is controlled by a circuit with a much lower current and voltage like 24 volts DC and are used in application ranging from light switch to the most complex automated industrial equipment. It is used by electrical equipment that is constantly on or off with opening and closing a circuit. Contactor has two sets of auxiliary contact. NO stands for normally open and it will close when the switch is activated. NC stands for normally closed and open when the switch is activated. A magnetic coil when energized will attract the moving core of the contactor, and the voltage of the magnetic coil, usually 24 volts DC, 110 volts AC, or 230 volts AC. Contactor has three main sets of contact. For supply side, line 1, line 2, line 3, or 1, 3, 5. And for the load side, going to the motor, T1, T2, T3, or 2, 4, 6. The overload relay is always part of magnetic contactor and is designed to protect the motor against prolonged overcurrent. This means if the motor is running for too long with high current, it will overheat and destroy the motor. One of the causes for this is bad bearing. Parts of overload relay: current setting. To set the current setting of the motor, you need to know the full load current times multiply it with 1.25 or 125%. Stop button, used to stop the motor. Reset button, manually reset should be done after the motor has tripped. This is the usual setup of motor control, from the bus bar going to the main disconnect. The purpose of main disconnect is to shut off the entire circuit. And for circuit breaker, designed to protect electrical circuit from short circuit and ground fault circuit interruptions. Contactor is an electrically controlled switch used for switching higher current. Overload relay designed to protect the motor from prolonged overcurrent which cause overheat and destroy the motor. And the last one is the electric motor is a machine that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. If you like this video, please like, comments, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.